Hi, I'm Lingling Yuan, Application Scientist at LI-COR. Today, I'm going to introduce a useful solution for people who would like to demonstrate their LI-6800 in a classroom or in a training setting. Or if you would like to control your LI-6800 in a remote location. So for this application, the only tool you would like to use is an Ethernet cable. So for this connection, you have two ways. So one is a direct connection. The other is connecting over the local network. So for the direct connection, you will just need to connect one end of the Ethernet cable to the back of the instrument, to the Ethernet port on the back of the instrument, and connect the other end to your computer. If you want to connect the instrument to your computer over the local network, you will need to connect the one end of the Ethernet cable to your instrument and the other end to your local network or a router that provides your local network. So in the second method, if you want to connect your instrument over the local network, do make sure your computer is in the same local network. That is essential. If you have problem with doing that, you may want to contact your IT department to see if your firewall setup or the intrusion detection software is preventing you to doing so. The LI-6800 uses VNC Protocols. So that means for the user, if you can download a VNC client on your computer or on your smartphone or tablet, you can create that communication. So for the VNC, that stands for Virtual Network Computing. On the website or in your app store, you can see many VNC versions. Most of them are free to use. The real VNC Viewer and Tiger VNC are the two we have been using. So today, I'm going to use the real VNC Viewer as an example for this demonstration. The first step we need to do is to download the Vnc Client on your computer or on your cell phone, your smartphone, or your tablet. So to download the Vnc on your computer, just simply open a browser and type in the keyword VNC. On the top, you can see VNC Viewer. That's the real VNC Viewer. So let's click VNC Viewer. Then you can see the button for the downloading. Just pick the best that fits your situation, then download the VNC Viewer. After the downloading, simply follow that instruction to install this VNC Viewer. After the installation, you will see an icon look like this here at the bottom of my computer screen. So next, make sure you have your Ethernet cable to connect your instrument to your computer. Here I'm using a direct connection. I have finished the connection. So next, we will need to launch the VNC Viewer on your computer. So you will see a search bar on the top of the VNC window. In the search bar, you will need to type in the host name of your instrument. The host name is in the format of the serial number of your instrument plus .local. For example, here my instrument serial number, the console serial number. My instrument console serial number is 68C-571025. Then dot local dot. Press Enter key on your computer. When you see this window pop up, just click Continue. You will see the instrument is mirrored on your VNC window. At first, you will see this window, the VNC window is upside down. Not a problem. So just go to the System setting under your Startup. Then go to check the flip screen 180 degree. Then your screen will make more sense here. Then you have make that connection. You are ready to turn on your environmental controls and set up your instrument for any measurements. If by entering the host name of your instrument to this search bar doesn't work for you, then try enter the IPv4 address of the instrument. Where you can find the IPv4 address, it is in your instrument, go to Startup, and then go to Connection. So highlight the sensor head that is connected to your instrument, and then press the button Network Info at the bottom. So you can check your IPv4 address here. So then enter your IPv4 address in this search bar, then press Enter. So that should work. Either the host name of the instrument or the IPv4 address of the instrument should work here in the VNC search bar for your connection. For people who would like to control their LI-6800 over their smartphone or tablet, you can also do so. So I will just use my smartphone as an example. So in the smartphone, go to your App Store, then download your VNC Client. So here I'm using VNC Viewer again. So the icon will look like this, VNC. When you use this app in your smartphone or tablet, do make sure your smartphone or tablet is on the same network as your instrument. Since this time you can only use your connection by over the local network. So make sure the instrument and your device is on the same local network is essential. You can just go to your setting and check your Wi-Fi on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure your Wi-Fi setting is connected to the same local network as your instrument is doing so. Next, we can launch our VNC Viewer, this application, on your device. So it's very straightforward. Just in the search bar, enter the IPv address of your instrument over there, and then you will see, that connection will be created. In that case, you can see a very teeny cursor. So make sure that cursor is positioned on the button you want to control. Then tap down to the screen. Otherwise, you are not able to control that screen. Please note, this application does require your instrument to have the embedded software version 1.1.5 or later, we will encourage you to go to our support website and to check our up-to-date software version. For this application, the instrument doesn't have to be in any special mode, so you can see it's very straightforward. Yeah, as always, if you have any further question, please feel free to go to LI-COR technical support website. You can see our contact information there. Feel free to contact our technical support or contact your local distribution partner.